Realtors, do you ever wonder why most lead generation offers never work? It's because the people that put them together are not even real estate agents, and they have no clue how to help you qualify, engage, and nurture the leads that come in. They might be good at lead generation, and they certainly are quick to take your money, but after that, they don't have the training and the systems in place to help you close more deals. My name is Kelly Norris, and I'm a licensed real estate broker, and for over 30 years, I've been helping agents just like you solve these problems and increase their annual incomes by $500,000 or more with my RDS Growth System. It is a guaranteed and proven way of generating and converting quality leads into deals predictively and consistently month after month and year after year. I developed this system to help real estate agents and entire brokerages scale their businesses once and for all so they would never have to worry about where the next deal was coming from. I've put together a free training on my website to show you exactly how to set this system up and crush it in 2025 and beyond. Click on the link below and check out this free training. You'll be glad you did.